In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the WooCommerce product page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're launching a new online shop or giving an existing site a refresh, customizing the product page can provide a unique shopping experience for your visitors, thus setting your website apart from the competition. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, our first stop is the dashboard WordPress. This is your command center. From here you have access to every aspect of your website. It's straightforward to navigate, so don't feel overwhelmed. The simplicity of WordPress is part of its charm and why it's so popular. Now your journey to customization starts with heading over to the Builder templates. You can think of these templates as the backbone of your site's appearance. They offer a starting point for creating a unique look and feel without having to code everything from scratch. This functionality is incredibly useful for both beginners and seasoned web developers alike. Next up, click on Shop Engine. If you're not already familiar with it, Shop Engine is a powerful solution for enhancing your WooCommerce storefront. It provides various modules and widgets that allow for easy customization of product pages, shopping carts, and more. This tool can be a game changer for your e-commerce site. After you've entered the Shop Engine area, you'll need to click on Builder Templates again. This might seem like a repeat step, but it's essential for navigating within the Shop Engine's ecosystem, specifically focusing on the templates relevant to your e-commerce needs. Now, for the exciting part, click on Add New Template. This is where your creativity can shine. You have the freedom here to start crafting a product page that aligns perfectly with your brand. The template acts as a canvas, and you're the artist. Feel free to experiment with layouts, add unique elements, and tweak until you're satisfied with how it looks and functions. Once you've poured your creativity into designing this new template, don't forget the crucial step of adding details to your template, whether it's naming it appropriately for easy reference later or tweaking settings. These details matter. After you've reviewed everything and ensured it meets your expectations, go ahead and click Save Changes. Remember, while you work through these steps, it's essential to keep in mind the overall user experience. A beautifully customized product page isn't just about looking good, it's also about functionality and ensuring your customers can navigate your site effortlessly, find what they're looking for, and make purchases without any hiccups. A couple of additional tips to enhance your customization efforts. Consider making your product pages mobile friendly. In today's world, a significant portion of online shopping is done via smartphones and tablets, so ensuring your pages look great and function well on these devices is crucial. Also, think about SEO. Use relevant keywords, high quality images, and clear, concise product descriptions to help your pages rank higher in search engine results. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to customizing your WooCommerce product page. It might seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're new to WordPress or e-commerce in general, but with a little patience and creativity, you can create a product page that not only looks amazing, but also provides a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Remember, the goal is to make your online store stand out, and with these customization tips, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Whether you're setting up a new online store or revamping an existing one, we hope this guide makes the process a little smoother and a lot more fun. Happy customizing!